The Neutron is a connector piece from the molecular belt system. The Neutron is attached to a pre-selected core piece via a hook and loop closure that then goes through the rectangular ring on the core piece and is attached here. The adjustment side of the Neutron is via an adjustable speed hook on the other end. The adjustable speed hook will go into the receiver end of the core piece like this. The Neutron has a limited stretch elastic belt, which allows you to breathe, but not so much that the pack is going to bounce. This limited stretch elastic belt will adjust up to 48 inches.